All right, Jay, Darin, get out of his way. Hold on.
Today, battle Trashies. Battle Trashies stadium when my brother's doing a review and I was sleeping when that happened. And then I came with two stuff down the recording. So let me go and get the box for a second. It's kind of big box, but it has these things. Has a little Christmas tree poster set. That's what it looks like. And here's the trash bag checklist poster. What it looks like. I know it came with this thing. Oh, there's the toss. This was included. Awesome. Really, I don't want the cute included. I want to. And here's the other animal for me. And see behind me. And here's this one says to Darin from a children. And this battle Trashies is for Darin. Oh yeah, I forgot that one. I will do that. Okay. You can put in my video. Oh yeah, I'm gonna come in your video too. And if you don't know what my brother looks like, what he looks like. This is Trashies. And here's some close-ups of what my guys look like. That guy.
All right, back to the main action.
Nope, not yet. And last but not least, there. Back to the main action. Cut. And you can be in my video too. Cat, look at it. Up in. And you guys have you with you. And guess this password box code, I guess. What's the replacing action with this? Wait, you gotta show him. I am looking for the toy guy and playing the game. Since this guy is not, this guy, this guy, nope. Since these are not strong, most of like the ghost ones, you can see. This has to be him. No, that's not. This has to be him, please. Maybe we gotta check them all. Found him. Now it's putting this guy in the game. Two players.
Okay, we're running out of video time, boys.
And here's the guys we watched. Here's the other guys. And here's all of them together. Voila. And here's the other guy.
All right, wrap it up, Jay Santona.
Here's the other guy. And here's the other guy. And here's another guy.
And they're awesome.
And here's another guy.
That's wrapping it up for Jay and Darin. Take care. Say goodbye to YouTube.
Take care.